Hi guys, I'm Sarah and today I'm just going to show you a really simple 2-ingredient bagel recipe. Quick disclaimer, 2 main ingredients before I get complaints of she used a bit of egg and a bit of salt. 2 main ingredients being Greek yogurt and self-raising flour. Of course I make my own Greek yogurt and I'll put a link down below to the video for that one. 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I might not have 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I'm going to do 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. So normally I would use 2 cups of Greek yogurt and 3 cups of self-raising flour, which will make about 6 bagels. Instead of 3 cups of self-raising flour, I use about 2¼ cups. But you may wish to add a little bit more later on, depending on how sticky this dough is. Here we go. This is purely optional. I am adding about ½ teaspoon of salt, just because first time I tried it I just thought they were a little bit plain tasting. A little bit of salt in there just lifts it. So just give that a really good mix around until it turns into a dough ball. Bit of flour on your hands. Just keep kneading until you've got all that flour in and it's nice and smooth. If it's really sticky, like if it's getting all over your fingers, add a bit more flour, but you should just have sort of a tacky kind of a dough ball. So I normally make 6, so I'll make about 5 out of this. Now, you will need baking paper because they do tend to stick to the tray, or a silicone sheet, whatever you've got. Now, something else that's optional, just to make these sort of nice and shiny and brown on top, is doing an egg wash. I'll just use 1 egg, about a tablespoon of water, and just brush these over the top. That will just make them go all nice and brown on top. And the other option is if you want to add some seeds. I'm afraid I don't have any seeds or anything on hand, but sesame seeds, linseeds or anything like that. Of course the egg wash will help them to stick to the bagels. And then we're just going to pop them in the preheated oven, as I say, 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And we'll see you back here for a taste test. Okay, these have just come out of the oven. They are looking amazing. So, you want to leave them for at least 10 minutes just to cool down on the tray. Now, these are best toasted. So, I'll cut one of these open. Okay, smells yummy. Tastes good. It's just got that very sort of subtle sort of tang with the Greek yogurt in there. But other than that, I mean, it's the sort of thing you would have with a topping, maybe even other than butter. I mean, cream cheese and salmon. Oh yeah, now we're talking. But I've got a bit of cottage cheese and I've got a bit of tomato. I might do that for our lunch today. But these are yummy. They are so easy. Do it. Make some bagels. Hit like. Leave me a comment. Hit subscribe. And get into it. Oh yeah.